all day. She's been my bestie.
Oh,
I've been here since in the kitchen with Mary.
Okay, so you've been going. Okay,
me
got
and
it.
Penny.
Okay.
No, you're.
I have an application.
And
it's
TJ.
pending. There we go.
It's pending.
It's pending application.
Totally.
But listen, you could bribe me with something super sweet or maybe a pie, and guess what you can bake in it? You could use these Temp-tations special edition. You're going to get a choice of a set of 3, the mini loaves or the mini pie plates. Again, under $20. Sale price $19.98. The easy pay, we're getting used to this now, $6 and some change. Shipping and handling is free. The item number is K83965.
Did you see that price? Sorry.
I see it. Okay,
What?
so it's going to be faster if you go over some of our colors and our choices.
Sure thing.
Okay, so let's start.
All right, so this is the poinsettia with the cardinal right here. So you're getting a set of 3. Each one comes with a coordinated gift box. Hold on, it's under $20 for all 3?
And it's absolute, that's what I'm saying. It's crazy.
on.
And you're getting the gift box.
And you're getting the gift box. Okay, the other choices, so the poinsettia, I'm so excited. I'm like, the poinsettia with the cardinal, all 3 are going to be the same. Then when you come to Winter Whimsy, okay, a little bit different. So on the outside, look how sweet. One is going to say joy. I'm going to try to tip it, you guys. You know, I'm going to do the best I can. Look, well, so we have our gingerbread and we have our elf.
Yeah.
And then joy. And then, hold on, I'm going to show the other side, you guys, because look how cute that is. So the other side is all 3 of them hanging out, singing carols, and they're wrapped in lights.
I love that. And the box matches.
And the box matches. Then the next one down in front is going to say Mary. And that's going to have Santa and reindeer. Look how sweet that is. Look at the cardinal up there. And then the third one is going to say peace. And then look at that. It has the penguin and the snowman. And here's that coordinated gift box. I cannot believe that these are still in stock because this is all we have for the year. Oh, wait, and do we have it in woodland?
I see it.
Yeah, true. Look how pretty this is, you guys. And it has, well, you know what? All the colors are over here.
But listen, it's more fun to show the food, especially when it said piece. I think it means I need a piece of this cake that's in here.
You do need a piece of that cake.
I just need it. That's what it
Then I'll continue. I'm going to take your lead. I'm going to continue over here. All of a sudden, I looked over there. I'm like, boy, I made that hard, didn't I? Look how cute these are. So in the winter woodland, if you picked up that utensil crock, how sweet to get this to coordinate back. Look how pretty that is. 3 are going to be the same. And then here's a peek at that great gift box.
Look at that.
This is absolutely so sweet. Oven safe to 500 degrees,
yes.
Microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, cuteness overload, smiles guaranteed, amazing price and free shipping.
And you're getting 3 of them.
Drop the mic.
It's
what else?
Listen, I got to talk about this Q card again, because listen, apply for the Q card. You're going to get $40 towards your next purchase. How many things have we seen already? We just got here.
It's true.
We just got here. You can get 2 things.
I know. Look at this. And when you say these are mini, but they're so mighty. Here's what I love. So my husband and I are empty nesters, right? The kids are all grown and out of the house. This is so perfect for us.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, it's great for your breads, your cakes, your pies, things like that. But I want you to think about your everyday meals. So the fact that you can do a mac and cheese over here. And look, I'm going to show you why Temp-tations, naturally nonstick, ooey gooey, even like mac and cheese. Oh, TJ. Do I need to push this spoon over to you? Is that okay?
I mean, am I allowed to eat this? They're saying
Yes.
no, but they know I'm a new host, so I'm
said
quite
take a big bite. I'm kidding.
TJ has been out of work for 2 weeks now.
And then, yeah, look at this. A nice big meatloaf. It's great for things like that. And then look at this, a little bit of stuffing. So when you think about 3, a full meal in 3 pieces, this is how you do it.
Can I tell you, I would love to get something like, normally you get a bowl for things like that.
Yes.
But you taught me, and I say this almost every week, you eat with your eyes.
Yes, we do.
And so this is something totally different where I was like, it's a new experience, and oh my gosh, this cheese is amazing.
Totally.
I love what it does.
Yeah, so really at this amazing price, you just have to pick your pattern, right?
Yeah.
We have the poinsettia with cardinal, the winter whimsy, or we have that winter woodland.
Yes.
Which I love.
Can't miss it. If you want the winter woodland, it's the most popular.
Here,
Fewer than 400 remaining.
I'm just going to turn
Do
it so
not
you
wait
can
on
see
those.
the cardinals. There we go.
And 100 have been spoken for since we've been here. Under $20. I'm going to call it the 20 Temp-tations. That's what this hour is. It's amazing.
Cute.
Your item number K83962. Look at that cardinal in there.
Isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
You know, if somebody just lost a friend or a relative,